Good day friends, welcome. In this one I will show you how to easily download Rustdesk on Windows 10. So it's actually completely identical, the download process on both operating systems. If for some reason you're still using Windows 10, which is already outdated by this point, you can do this easily, no problem. So just open up your preferred browser of choice, and by using just going to google.com or just using your address bar, just type in Rustdesk. Search for it. And guys, do not go into any third-party websites, okay? Only go to this rustdesk.com, okay? This is the official website. It's not scam, because as you can see, we'll even have a warning. If you're being scammed, if you're called, if you're asked for some kind of payments or something, yeah, just don't do that. Always download it from here. This is the official source. And now you can just press download here or here, doesn't really matter. And now let me give you a rundown of how to download it for your specific platform. So if you have a processor that is 32-bit architecture, you will have to grab either of these, either the EXE or MSI. As you can see, they are both x86 and x64. So you can use these, it doesn't really matter. Or actually, no, you can also use this. As you can see, this is a legacy executable for 32-bit systems. So if you have an old laptop, maybe. When you're ready, just press on any of these, for example, MSI. Okay, it will download this file, and there you go. You can just launch it, and you will have the installer right here. Enjoy, my friends. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe.